Hey Frozen community! Today we're going to walk through the Z-axis calibration for the Sonic LS Plus. Let's get started. Before we begin, just a quick reminder, all Phrozen Sonic LS Plus build plates are pre-calibrated at the factory. If you ever need to recalibrate the build plate, feel free to follow the steps in this video to perform Z-axis calibration. This time, the Sonic LS Plus comes with both a standard build plate and a large build plate. For this demonstration, we'll be using the large build plate. Let's get started right away. The tools we'll need include a 3mm T-hex Allen wrench, 95% alcohol, kitchen paper towels, an eyeglasses cleaning cloth, and a sheet of A4 paper. Let's remove the build plate and the vat tank. Then, use 95% alcohol and an eyeglasses cleaning cloth to clean the LCD screen. Here's an important reminder. During cleaning, please avoid letting alcohol come in contact with the vat contact port. Use 95% alcohol along with kitchen paper towels to clean the screws on the T-plate and any residual resin remaining on the build plate. Once everything is clean, tap Tools on the touchscreen, then select Z-axis Control. From the Z-axis Control menu, tap the icon in the top left corner to enter the auto leveling screen. Next, tap Go to Manual Z-axis Calibration on the left side, and now you're ready to start calibrating the Z-axis. First, place a sheet of A4 paper on top of the LCD screen. Tap Next to raise the Z-axis to its upper limit. Once it's fully raised, reinstall the build plate onto the T-plate and make sure the thumb screw is securely fastened. Next, grab your 3mm T-hex Allen wrench and loosen the 4 cap screws on the T-plate. This allows the build plate to move freely up and down. Just a quick reminder, don't loosen them too much or the build plate might fall off. Tap Next again and wait for the Z-axis to lower to the bottom. Now, gently press down on the build plate with one hand, and with the other hand, use the 3mm T-hex Allen wrench to tighten the 4 cap screws diagonally, then tap Next. At this point, gently pull each corner of the paper to check for even friction between the paper and the build plate. It's important that all 4 corners feel the same. If all 4 corners are too tight at the same time, or all 4 corners are too loose at the same time, you can slightly adjust the build plate height with the Z offset function. Adjust until there's just the right amount of friction between the paper and the build plate at all 4 corners. Finally, tap Set and wait for the Z-axis to rise, and you're done. That's it for the Sonic LS Plus Z-axis calibration tutorial. Hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more exciting news from Frozen. I'll see you next time. Bye!